Greetings and welcome to Mentor Mike's post-Thanksgiving market movie for Friday, November 28th, 2014. It's time to recap our last 3 months in the live trading room. The first trading room day of November was Tuesday, the 4th of November, and we had a rough one. We started out with our grand today in the early part of the day, and then I got whipsawed back and forth 4 straight times. I was completely out of sync with the market, and my score definitely shows it. We had a whopping minus $5,469. Not our finest hour, to be sure. And then the next day, the next trading day, we also finished in the red at minus 3106.50. Now, the Friday following this unfortunate trading day week, we actually did some replays. And to put it all in perspective, I urge you to watch the replays that we did on Friday the 7th, because you'll see how those 2 days might have played out under other circumstances. So I've always felt that we're all human and we're all going to make mistakes. And mistakes are bad, but they're only really bad if you don't learn from them. So this is my attempt to learn something from them. And things picked up after that. Our next trading room day was Tuesday the 11th of November, and we fell just a teeny bit short of our grand day goal, but we did finish in the money with $880. Thursday the 13th, we did a little better. We finally broke our grand a day level and made 1,098. The next Tuesday was the 18th of November, and this was our best day of the month, $2,084. And on the 20th, which was a Thursday, it was a weird day. There was a lot of sort of sideways consolidation, and missed that trade, misjudged how high it was going to go, had a loser that was a bit substantial, but we did finish in the money with a whopping king's ransom of $134. And finally, on the 25th, Tuesday the 25th, we had a good day once again and finished with our gadget goal of 1,026.50. Now then, so this is what our total looked like for the 7 trading room days in the month of November. There's our big loss, minus 54.69, followed by minus 3106.50. Then we had 880, 1,098, 2,084, 134, and 1,026.50. The total for those 7 trading room days, was minus $3,353 for a daily average of minus 479. Sounds bad, but remember, you got to put it in perspective, and it's an average that we're shooting for. So let's take a look back at September. That was a long month with 9 trading room days. We had 7 winning days and 2 losing days that month. Our total for the month was $7,898, which gave us a daily average of $877.55. Then came October, which was a stellar month. 9 trading room days, all winners, some of them spectacular, and a total of 24,883 and a daily average of 2,764.78. Now, if you take September, October, and November all together, this is what it looks like. Remember, September we had 78.98, October 24,883, November minus 33.53, for a grand total of $29,428. So our daily average for those 3 months, and that includes 25 total trading room days, 9 in September, 9 in October, 7 in November. So based on those 25 trading room days, our daily average was $1,177.12. We had kind of an average month, a stellar month, and a poor month, but the average came out above our gadget goal of $1,000 a day, a grand a day. And gadget, of course, stands for my students, my grand a day group of e-mini traders. Now, as I've said in various webinars in the past, it's expected that I would do reasonably well. After all, I've been trading for over 30 years and teaching for over 14 years. But how do my students do? Well, they do pretty well. This is an email that I sent out to the group on Wednesday, the 26th of November, just a couple days ago, showing the screen capture sent to me by Frank K., one of our students from the great state of Virginia. And I say, fellow traders, see the attached Word file from Frank K. showing his successful live trades from our last 2 trading rooms. Great trading, Frank. You'll be a full-fledged gadget in no time. That's when we make a grand a day, of course. So let's take a look at Frank's screen captures. Here's the first. Now, Frank is trading in a live account. This is a real money trade, but he's starting off slow. He's doing a 2-target peel off using 3 contracts, and on his first trade on Thursday, November 20th, he made a profit of $175. And here's a screen cap of his second trade on Tuesday, November 25th, and he made another profit of $175. So keep up the good work, Frank, and I hope to see you in Gadgetville very soon. Now, we have a lot of fun in the trading room, and as you can see, once you reach the point where you're ready to trade live, you can make some money as well. Now, if you want to follow our trades a little more closely for a while, come to PacificTradingAcademy.com, go to the blog link, and Mentor Mike's Market Movies. And I do my personal real-time video trading room from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then we post the results of our live trading room every Tuesday and Thursday. And when you're finally ready to get serious and quit fooling around and decide that you really want to learn how to trade correctly and profitably on a consistent basis, then come here and go to the enrollment link and check out Mike Bridges' mentoring course and trading room. Now, this will tell you all about it, and if you want to know what it costs, go to the price and payment plan. Basically, the course costs about $5,000, $3,000 down and $2,000 in 30 days. But we had a special that we ran at our last webinar where the first 5 students who sign up, we're going to waive that second payment. So instead of $5,000, it's only $3,000. That's one heck of a bargain, folks. Trust me. So I think we have 1 spot left. So I know that the holidays is an expensive time of year, but if you want your 2015 to be brighter than the last few years coming out of this recession, then join us and save some money in the process. All right, everybody, enjoy the rest of your Thanksgiving weekend, and my students, my gadgets, I will see you back in the live trading room on Tuesday. Bye-bye for now.